So I'm up here at Duthie Park doing jumps on the Luna trail. It's a pretty simple trail. There's like 3 jumps. So I can practice doing a cross up, which I've never done a cross up before, but it's so much fun. So I hope the videos are coming through with the cross ups. Just a little twist in the handlebars, and the bike lays slightly at an angle, and you straighten out when you land, supposedly. And it's been working out pretty good. Only once that it came down slightly crooked, so when you impact you have to steer rapidly. I mean, just make a really rapid correction, and then yeah, but it adds another element than just going straight over the jump. So So this is the first time I'm going to be going down Gravy Train this year. It's been a couple months since I've gone down this, so let's see how it goes. That was good. Really good control. Liked it. We had a good day on the trail today. I don't want to be doing jumps when I'm starting to get tired. So before I get tired, I have to call it quits. But we were up here for a couple hours, riding a Polygon Siskiu's T7. Worked out really well. Good bike. Duthie Hill, Gravy Train, the Luna Trail tabletop jumps to start out with, some cross-ups. They built up the lips on their tabletop, so you can really boost some good air on the Lunas now. Good day, lots of fun. I hit every jump every time I went down Gravy Train. I must have went down maybe 8 times, maybe more, but yeah. All good. Good day. Bye, guys.